All right, good morning, everyone. It is a quarter to 11 on May the 7th, 2021, and I am doing a no trades recap today. Pretty unusual, but it goes that way sometimes. You'll see here. Let's go over it. Let's see. I was watching Roku, Digital Dog, BILL, Net, and Expedia, and not one of them. Not a single one came into my levels today, and so I could be willing for Net to hang out to see if it comes into the level, but I canceled the orders. I'm done. I'm going home. If there's one of them that might actually come into the levels and then bounce away, it's Net, but that's the only one that's come close. Roku, you can see here, opened up at three. Let's see. It opened at $322.50 and has come nowhere near my levels. Digital Dog, or Data Dog, sorry. It opened at, let's see, it opened at $79.34 and has come nowhere near my levels. No trade. Again, BILL opened at $152.29 and came nowhere near my levels. No trade. Net opened at $74.93 and got kind of close to my levels, about 60 cents away from my level, from my top level. But I don't like to put on trades after 10:30 in the morning. Yeah, no trade. EXPE, again, it opened at $175.27 and got close. It came close to my level. About, was that 75 cents away? Let's see, the low here. The low is 172.50, and my first entry was 171.82, and it didn't come in with no trade. So, I was, I'm still not really feeling well. I'm still sick. And so I'm not feeling like on top of my game. There was IHT started hitting. Now, IHT, I have traded IHT before. Let's take a look at it real quick and see what it did today. And it started hitting the scanner somewhere in the $3 range. Yeah. That's a decent run up right there. It opened at 244, 241 or so, and when I started paying attention to it, it was right around this level right here. I think a little bit more, a little bit less than $3.28. But I just wasn't feeling like it was on, like it was going to be a possibility for me for a successful trade. So I just left it alone. Another one is SGBX. Let's see this one. SGBX. SG blocks. What is that? Yeah, no, so yeah, it started hitting the scanners and it really hasn't done anything. Not really. I mean, that's a tough trade. That's a tough one to try and get into. It says, let's see, volume. I think this thing is saying that it was that's SCX. AWX. There's a lot hitting the scanner this morning. But there's nothing that, if any of them, then that I would have really have felt as though it was worth getting involved with was IHT right here. That one looks promising, and there's sort of a bull flag going on here. Let's see what the it's got a small float. IHT, the float. It says the float is 2.92 million shares. Shares outstanding is 9 million shares. So this thing has the possibility to squeeze. Let's check out the news. Halt. So there's news from July 10th. There's no news on on TradingView. Let's look at it on Street Smart Edge here. Let's see. No real news other than additional information. Additional information. Not seeing what the news is. Obviously, there's some kind of news. Let's see if there's a chat in here somewhere. Let's see if IHT. I don't know. That's for a gold discussion. That's not for an IHT discussion anyway. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with IHT today. But it is, look, if you look here on the 10-minute, that is, that is a decent pattern. I would have expected it to have broken out by now. 1 to 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes to run up to this price. And now it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's over an hour now that it's been consolidating at this price level. Well, anyway, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to go home and rest some more. Still not feeling perky and ready to go. So that's my day. No trades, just kind of sitting here watching screens. Let's look at the SPY real quick. And actually, usually I would have played. So the VIX, you can see here, the VIX came down. Let's see, it opened here at 9:30, and it dropped. Almost immediately dropped below this 18.2, and is now. It's either gonna. Right now, it's working on either bottoming and moving back up, or it's working on putting in a bear flag for another move down. What happens exactly, I don't know. But this is definitely the zone where I can get bullish on the SPY. So yeah, but I'm not going to do it today. I just don't feel well enough. I don't feel like I've got it in me to make a rational decision on price level action right now. So I'm going to go home and go back to sleep, and hopefully, I'll feel better next week and ready to trade. There were definitely trades to be made today, but I'm just not feeling up to it. So, yeah, and my large caps didn't at all play out. No, there was really barely any profit taking on any of these things after their runs up. So, all right, everybody, I'm going to end it here. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on Monday morning for the Monday morning strategy session. Have a great weekend, everybody. All right, I am out.